How to withdraw Solana in SOLFLARE Wallet. Before we start, if you're interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Legit's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your SOLFLARE, and let's say you want to withdraw some Solana. So what you need to do is to simply head over to your Solana, and then you just need to click on the send option. Now you need to open up that particular third-party crypto exchange in which you want to receive your Solana, or in other words withdraw your Solana. So you need to open up like Bybit, Binance, or any other third-party crypto exchange. Then go for the wallet or assets on the bottom right and click on the deposit option. Click on deposit crypto and search for Solana on the top of your screen. Now once you have searched for this, you just need to go for it, and then you need to make sure to select the network type. You need to simply copy your wallet address and then head over to your recipient section and paste your wallet address. Now once you do so, click on the bottom again, and then you need to enter the smaller amount first of all, like $10 or $15 worth of Solana, and then you just need to withdraw. Now once you do so, you will gonna receive it to your Bybit within the given time, which is around 2 minutes in most cases. So hope this helped. This is how you can withdraw Solana in SOLFLARE wallet.